Okay, so here we have the software metric techniques that I've chosen to evaluate. So I've chosen these techniques because it might be useful for our insurance management system in terms of the performance of the system and the security system that we'll be implementing. So the first one is response time. So this metric is used to measure how long it takes the system to respond to user request, which and so basically um, how long does it take to respond to the user request? So a lower response time indicates a more performance system, which is true. Um, the response time can be measured using tools such as Apache Meter that we'll be discussing later. The second one, the throughput, this metric is used to measure how many user requests the system can process in a given time period. So a higher throughput indicates a more performant system. Um, it can also be measured using the tool such as Apache Meter. For this number of security vulnerabilities, this metric is used to measure the number of security vulnerabilities in the system. So a lower number of security vulnerabilities indicates a more secure system. We'll be discussing about the tool, which is Apache JMeter. Unfortunately, for the number of security vulnerabilities, it uses the OWASP, SAP, or the Burp Suite tool that we will not be discussing here. So I've chosen the Apache JMeter for, for the tool that we'll be discussing. So like each metric has different tools. It can combine metrics in one tool, but here I'll be discussing about Apache JMeter. So these are the two tools that I've spoken about. This one for the security vulnerabilities, and this one for the throughput and the response time.